Good medical morning. This is Pops. He's one of Dr. Sandra Lee's most popular patients. In fact, his video made her page an internet phenomenon on Instagram and YouTube. Let's take a look at some of his pictures. Pops is an 80-plus-year-old patient. Him and his wife were long-term patients of the Dr. Lee family. Here's what Dr. Lee said about the couple. A few years ago, I saw him for the first time in my office all alone. The first thing I asked was where his wife was. He told me she was waiting in the car and didn't want to come in. Apparently, she was having some medical problems. She had a lung disease which made it very difficult and painful for her to breathe. He told me that she didn't want anyone to know about this disease, that she was embarrassed. He said that she was in a lot of pain, but would put on a brave face the next time I saw her. So would I please not mention that he told me of her problems? She didn't want anyone to know. Pops ultimately lost his wife to the lung disease. Afterwards, bills were piling up and he was having a hard time in everyday life. Fans like you participated in a GoFundMe campaign. It wound up raising over $14,000 for the elderly patient. We'll throw the address on the screen. So thanks to everyone who contributed. It was truly a noble effort by popping fans everywhere. So leave Pops, Dr. Sandra Lee, and the crew a comment below, and a thumbs up for their actions. Thanks for watching. Hey folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a Comedone Extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.
If you're looking for the best night's sleep of your life, then look no further. Rest More combines 19 essential herbs, vitamins, and minerals. It's the top sleep supplement on the market today. Rest More is healthy, natural, and available on Amazon Prime through buyrestmore.com. If great sleep is important to you, then try Rest More.